and we're trying to get into this unit, and the tenant said that they vacated the unit, and we haven't gained access yet. We don't have the copy of the key. But what we are noticing right now, we're banging on the doors, no one's answering, and we're noticing all these flies. And then you notice all these flies right here. You can see them all. They're inside. All those flies are inside. For them to be inside like that is pretty crazy. That means that they've been in there growing. I don't know, I really can't see in there. Hello? Is anybody in there? I can't see in there. Looks like there's a lot of junk and trash. So we're gonna go ahead and make entry. Look at all those bugs, flies on the inside. I don't know what's going on in there. I hope it's just food in there. But we're about to make our entry right now.
Can I move your truck forward?
Someone trying to leave?
Yeah.
Here you go, brother. So we knocked on the door. Now we're knocking on this door. And the tenant sent a text to the landlord's owner saying that they vacated, that they're not here anymore. So we're gonna make entry. You see there's flies there as well.
Entry because there's a tenant that left in the middle of the night. We don't have the key. See this?
Oh, damn.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this shit, dude.
Yeah.
Look at this. Fucking TV's in here.
Yeah.
What is this? So we just gained entry into this house through the lock. And look at there's, you can tell there's a hoarder. Look at all this trash here. Okay. We got all this mail and there's trash. You got trash mixed with feces. Go get your respirator on, brother, if you want. You have one? Good. Look at all the flies everywhere. Look at all this trash. Oh, what the hell? Like, this is like really bad. Oh my gosh, look at this bedroom. Oh my gosh. There's like millions of flies trying to get out over there. Oh my gosh, look at this kitchen. This breaks my heart. I don't even know what to say, man. This is so ridiculous. Ugh, people, man. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never seen a bathroom this bad. What the hell? Just putting shit, rags in the beautiful shower enclosure that I built years ago. Look at this. I don't even know what to say. There's a little pathway, like he was making his way in there taking shits. So this is really bad. We're gonna switch out the locks right now, but this is bad. Look at all the flies flying. Oh my god. I don't even want to open that fridge. Oh my gosh. What the? Oh my gosh. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Whoa.
All right, everybody, we got this unit all ready to go. 2 days of detailing, painted the whole unit, new mini blinds, new laminate floors, new stove, new fridge,
new hardware on everything, and the unit is now ready for someone to move into. So basically, story behind this unit, and the reason why I'm sharing this video with you all is because this is one of the more severe cases that I've ran across as far as a tenant leaving the unit in the middle of the night, because that's exactly what happened. This tenant couldn't pay rent. They were suffering from some health issues, and for whatever reason they couldn't pay rent, and so they left the unit in that state and left in the middle of the night. And when we saw it, we were very upset. We've been working on this property for years and years and years, over 20 years for these clients. These are really good clients of ours, and to see it in that state was really hurtful to us. But thank goodness everyone was healthy and safe, and everyone, you know, no one was passed away in the unit. But we did feel like we were going to find something dead in the unit with, you know, the smell coming from the unit and the flies. Thank goodness it wasn't that. It was just rotten food and feces that he had in the bathtub. So that was crazy. But the main reason why I'm showing you this to you all is for people that are potential landlords, potential homeowners, and want to have these kinds of properties. Beware of these kinds of situations happening, and always be ready to deal with something like this, okay? Do inspections throughout the year. Make sure everything is good and you're protecting your investment. Okay, and I want to hear from all you all. Please leave a comment if you've ever had an experience like this. If you're a builder, or you're a landlord, or you own a rental property and you've had this kind of experience, let us know in the comments. Let us know about your experience if you want. And thanks for watching. And if you like this content, remember to subscribe and like.